Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to learn a new letter sound. Look at this picture. What is it? Yes, it's jelly. When we say jelly, what is the first sound you hear? We hear J for jelly. This is the letter for J. J. Let's say it together. J. This word in Malay it's jam. Jam. It's not like jam in English. We say jam. Jam means a clock. Can you try to read this word? We see jalan. 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 It means a road. Here is another word. We see jiran. 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 It means neighbors. Let's try one more. We see baju. Baju. Baju means clothes. Here we see a baju kurung and baju Melayu. They are traditional Malay outfits. Let's read the suku kata together. Ja, ji, ju, ji, ju, ja, ju, ja, ji. How do we write the lower case of this letter? We start at the middle line. Can you see the middle line? Draw a straight line down to the bottom. Don't stop here. Go below it and make a small curve to the left, just like a hook. And don't forget to put a little dot at the top. Okay? This is the uppercase. We start at the top line. Make a straight line to the right. And in the middle of that line, make a straight line down, touching the bottom line, and make a small curve to the left, just like a hook. And for the uppercase, no dot is needed. Okay, so keep practicing until you can get this right. To help you remember where to put the curve for the letter, I'm putting a worm on the hook. Hopefully, you'll remember to put the curve to the left of the letters. That's all for now. Great job. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.